Got this thing here scanning. If you can remember your frequencies, which you should, I mean, like 147.045 is a Rutland repeater. Anyways, you'll get the hang of it, you know. Alphanumerics are nice, but I'm really liking this radio. The feel, the fit, the durability. I mean, it just feels like a durable radio. I mean, would you dare do that? Throw your Icom Yaesu or Kenwood on the ground? I wouldn't. You know, this thing, it's what, less than 50 bucks. Nothing's going to happen to it. This thing feels rugged, man. It's robust. I'm not going to go beat a nail into a piece of wood with it. But, you know, the push to talk, got a bunch of little detents. Feels a little soft until you bottom out, and then it's rock hard. Got your two buttons here. USB on the back, bottom there. Display is beautiful. You know, I wish they changed those LEDs, a way to shut them off. AA1PR. It's just too damn big, man. They're blinding at some circumstances. So let's go back to scanning. Yeah, just a well-built radio. I think I'm liking this radio more and more.